In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add eye-catching animations to Canva videos. We'll walk through this inside the Canva editor, step by step, so you can follow along with your own project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your videos look more dynamic and professional without needing any advanced editing skills. First, open your design in Canva where you already have your video on the canvas. This could be an intro, a reel, a presentation, or any video project you're working on. Once your design is open, look at the main canvas area in the center of the screen. Here, you should see your video clip as one of the elements. Start by clicking directly on the video. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or outline around it, and small handles or corners appear. This is important because Canva needs to know which specific element you want to animate. If you accidentally click the background or another object, you might not see the right animation options, so make sure that the video itself is highlighted. With the video selected, look toward the top of the Canva interface. You'll see a toolbar appear that changes depending on what you've clicked. Among the editing options there, find and click on the button labeled Animate. This is the main control panel for adding movement to your elements. Once you click Animate, a panel will open, usually on the left or across the top, showing you different animation styles. These might include options like fades, slides, zooms, or more energetic movement effects. Take a moment to hover over each option. As you move your cursor over them, Canva will show you a live preview right on your canvas, so you can instantly see how your video would look with that animation applied. Now, select the animation style that best fits the mood and purpose of your video. A subtle fade can be great for professional or calm content, while a bold zoom or slide might work better for energetic, attention-grabbing clips. Simply click on the style you like, and Canva will apply it to your video. After selecting, play your design from the start or from the current page to preview how the animation feels in real time. If it doesn't look quite right, just go back to the Animate panel and choose a different option until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Your video now has an eye-catching animation applied, ready to impress your viewers.